Welcome to the Learning Support video on the electron transport system. As we investigate the third component to cellular respiration, keep in mind that this process consists of three distinct parts, but that they occur as part of a larger process. As a disclaimer, the presentation of the electron transport system in this video is a simplified version, created to help students gain an understanding about the process without complex terminology, but with simple diagramming. Should you decide to take higher-level courses such as exercise physiology and/or biochemistry, you will have a much more in-depth study on this topic. Also, take just a moment and list the location of this process, which occurs in the mitochondrial matrix. Let's first review briefly the end products of the citric acid cycle. Remember, we have 3 NADH, 1 ATP, and 1 FADH2. The electron transport system begins with NADH and FADH2 serving as electron carriers. Specifically, they are carrying hydrogen ions, which were removed from both the citric acid cycle and glycolysis. NADH and FADH2 carry these hydrogen ions from the cytoplasm to the mitochondrial matrix. Next, NADH and FADH2 release hydrogen ions, which then enter the mitochondrial matrix. Here at the mitochondrial matrix, these hydrogen ions are broken up into both protons and electrons. The protons pass through the intramembranous space, while the electrons pass through the mitochondrial matrix. Through this process, water is released as a byproduct. The hydrogen protons, which accumulated in the intramembranous space, then filter through a membrane referred to as ATP synthase. As the protons filter through this channel, it is through a series of chemical reactions, namely oxidative phosphorylation, that ADP in the mitochondrial matrix combines with protons and oxygen to make ATP. The end product of glycolysis is 36 ATP.